Hello, today I'll be using these lovely sunflowers. And we'll also be using mostly Equisetum hyemale. It's a bamboo-like plant. We're going to make a summary arrangement with these long Equisetum hyemale. Here are the materials we'll be using: sunflowers, Equisetum hyemale, white lilies, lisianthus, oncidiums, blue fantasy. This is a member of the Staticeae flower family and is useful as a dried flower because it does not wither very much. Lily of the valley, Dracaena. This is in the process of insertion. I cut these long thorns into short pieces and put them in a grid. I put it in the middle. Shorten the length. Insert the thorns so that they cross each other like this. In this case, I used number 28 wire. I cut a thin wire into small pieces. Wrap it around here. Tie it lightly. Cut the length of the wire to match the length of the flower. Put the sunflowers in between. This is where the floral foam is. I put the two flowers in a slightly different way. The most blooming lily, pull off the pollen. I can't touch it now because it's just about to bloom. Smoked grass. I'm going to use separate the oncidiums and use them. Oncidiums have two sides. This one has a lighter yellow color. The one that looks brighter is put in the front. The neck is bent. It is very long. We're going to shorten it. There is a leaf here. Remove it too. If the neck is bent, it will face down when you insert it straight. So, if it is crooked, put it facing forward. Fill in the bottom part with blue fantasia or something. Roll it up and staple it. I rounded it like this. Cut off the tips to make it easier to insert. Add some Equisetum hyemale to make it more lively. Add some Dracaena and other plants. The back is like this. If you have a lot of materials, you can add more lilies and so on. I think light-colored roses would be suitable. This is how I made it. It looks cool and nice. Sunflowers are the perfect flower for summer. They are so cheerful. Sunric orange sunflowers on an Equisetum hyemale fence. Lisianthus, lilies, blue fantasia, oncidium for leaves, I used spotted leaves of Dracaena and chrysanthemum. Summary arrangement. It's easy to do. So why don't you give it a try? It's nice to have flowers, isn't it? Sunflowers are so cheerful in summer.